So I finally landed in the Philippines. I'm here in Manila and I'm transferring, but sadly I did not know Terminal 4 is nowhere near Terminal 1, but I did meet someone who sat by me on the plane, and her family is literally the saving grace, a blessing. Somehow we made it because we literally have the best driver, a man that I literally just met 10 minutes ago.
Bye!
Thank
Bye.
you. We made it here at Terminal 4, about to make the flight. Filipinos, super nice. Getting a ride from people I just met 5 minutes ago. Honestly, this country's so amazing. I've only been here for an hour. It's probably one of the most sketchiest landings I have ever done, but it feels like literally just, I'm in paradise now. Okay, y'all have to see this. This place looks like it's going to be something else. Flying in here, the runway was kind of sketchy, the plane was kind of sketchy, but cool. But Coron, Palawan, we made it here, 4 flights, but this place looks so beautiful. I'm super excited. We're headed to the hotel now. Let's see if the hotel can keep the magic going with how beautiful this place is. And my hotel, the Funny Lion, they picked me up. Like, you gotta love that. Okay, first things first. We need to talk about this room. So, it's time for room tour here in Philippines. We have 2 different beds. And this is what you get when you come to the Funny Lion. A bag, some cloths. Dear Mr. West Davion, welcome to the Funny Lion. Get a desk. Got a safe. The mini bar you did.
So, okay, again, Sir Alexander, you have a complimentary mini bar here. Here you go.
And then what were those drinks called?
Yes, for this one, it's called Samalamig juice, and this is a healthy juice. For this fruit and pandan juice, it's only upon arrival, but other than drinks, we can replenish it every day.
You guys already saw that. The sink. You got Davion West. Toilet, and then the shower. This room is already like exceeding expectations, and the fact that the mini bar is complimentary and you can keep refilling it, and he said that you can order drinks from the bar and have it delivered to your room. Like, this is insane. And then, okay, I might be a kid, but a balloon attached to my bag that says the Funny Lion, your adventure starts here. This place knows what they're doing, but we're gonna go get something to eat and check out the town. So I made it here in Coron, and honestly, this place is so breathtaking. Going to Bali was amazing, but coming to the Philippines, it just seems like so much uncharted territory, natural beauty, and then just the ride. Amazing, amazing guy. So this is what we're having tonight, Sharky's here in Coron. Let's find out, is this place really good? They have live music here at 7:30.
Hi bro, welcome to Coron, Palawan, and welcome to Sharky's restaurant.
This is the bacon carbonara here. It looks so good. Okay, so this is my first meal here in the Philippines, Sharky's. Creamy, but not too creamy. It's not saturated in that. This right here is fire. The perfect mix. Like just look at that hunk of meat. All right, this is the last bite that I'm gonna film because I'm gonna finish this, and I can't film no more. Like, this is just too good. This beer, San Miguel, Come get one of these when you come here. So they brought me more food. This is a ham and cheese croissant. Apparently they bake all their bread in-house, so we're gonna test that statement. You do have to love the presentation though. Literally all these veggies, the melted cheese, the tomatoes, the bell pepper, like that is a beautiful, beautiful croissant ham and cheese sandwich. Okay, even though I'm full, we're gonna give this a try. It looks so beautiful not to try it. So let's go. I've had a lot of croissants in my life, but this croissant with the tomatoes, with the cheese, the ham, it's just like the perfect like this croissant is perfect. I guess they do make their own bread here. I guess they do. But with that being said, you guys, I will see you guys later.